back by popular demand. It's the Dirty Eye Show with your host, Kevin F. Garrett. The only star of his own show that you know will be making his film debut in the fall. Let's give it up. Take it away, Kevin.
Kevin. Good, thank you. We're such a lovely audience. We're going to have so much fun today. Although we did change up the show just a little bit, what we usually do. So that's why we named the show today The Dirty Eye Surprise. All right, our first guest, we have this lovely couple on stage. I believe their names is, let me see, Kimberly and Jack. Am I correct, guys? And they have a very nice, lovely relationship. I like to say that they're like matching from like head to toe. Was that planned, or it's just something that just popped out? You know?
We love each other so much that we know what each other's gonna do.
Boy, that's just so sweet, so sweet. So has everything been going pretty good? Is the loving good, and the stuff at the bed, is that going good or what?
Well, first of all, let me say it's an honor to be on your show. I'm a big fan.
Oh, thank you.
You can autograph my book afterward?
Oh, sure.
Maybe after the show.
I'll even send you a demo of my tape. But do you guys want to, like, you know, tell us about yourselves? You know, how's the relationship going? Like I said, is the sex good? Spill it.
Well, I guess I'll just get right down to it. Well, Jack, you know I love you very much. You know this. And, you know, the sex is great. Mm-hmm. Always has been.
Always has been.
There's something that I just kind of need to get out, I suppose. Jack, I'm married.
What? You're married?
Yeah. I've been married for about 3 years.
What? Oh, excuse me. What's going on here? You've been, married for 3 years? How long you been going out with him?
We've been dating for 10.
10?
Wait a minute. We've been dating for 10 years, and you've been married for the last 3? Or was it a different 3 somewhere in the middle? Are you still married now?
Yeah, I am.
Whoa! What is that? Yeah, you should be ashamed of yourself. You've been with that guy for 10 years and been married on the side. What's wrong with you? Don't you got any kind of morals or anything?
I've seen her every night of my life for the last 10 years. She had no time.
Hey.
Well, you remember when I went to Vegas?
With my friend Bob?
Yes, with Bob. I went out.
You married Bob?
No, not Bob. You don't know him. His name's Ben. But I went out.
You went with my friend Bob, and you married a Ben.
Well, actually, he's an Elvis impersonator.
You hate Elvis. You married an Elvis?
I was very drunk at the time, and we just kind of ended up in the Elvis Palace of Love. And
ooh.
Where was Bob?
Well,
I don't know, he was out with some hooch.
Well, like I said, the name of this show is called The Dirty Eye Surprise, and I got a surprise for you guys. Viva Satellite, we do have Bob on the screen. Bob, what you guys say about this crap?
Viva Satellite, that's right, baby. How you doing, baby?
Oh, that's
me, it's your lover boy.
Oh, no.
That's the guy you left me. You left me for
baby.
that guy. Hey, Ben, can you hear me?
Who's that guy over there, baby doll?
Hi, honey.
Don't see him real well, per se.
You left me for Elvis.
Well,
What's going on, baby?
All I can say is that it makes sex very interesting.
You're damn real right.
Does he wear a sequin jacket? I have a sequin jacket.
Wear a sequin condom.
I have a damn horn section.
Anyways, Ben?
Yeah, baby?
I need to tell you something, too.
Oh, honey, you know you can tell me anything.
This is Jack.
Jack, how you doing?
Hi, Ben. How are you doing?
I'm just great.
Who are you doing? My wife? My girlfriend?
I'm doing my wife, Jack. Don't know who your girlfriend is.
Okay.
Well, Jack happens to be kind of my boyfriend.
What? Run that by me again, baby doll. I don't think I heard you. Is he your boyfriend?
Yeah, we've been.
Well, wait a minute. How is that possible? We've been married 3 years now.
Well,
That's what I said.
we've been together
Oh, shut
for
up, Jack.
about 10.
They've been together 10 years. What, you always a one-night stand? Well, 3 years stand, whatever. I don't appreciate that. I don't like being played. I'm a player
I know,
myself.
I'm sorry. I love you both. I love you both so much.
Well, you can't do this to us. You gotta choose one of me or Jack. What do you want, baby? You want your hunk of burning love or a little pipsqueak over there?
If they put my face on a stamp, would you screw me too?
Jack,
Fair.
Listen, I have something I'd like to say.
Well, go ahead and speak your mind.
Th-
But make it quick, though.
yeah, we've been going out, and you know I love you more than life itself. But I have to tell you that I've been sleeping around on you.
Whoa, what?
Then how could you get so upset?
Well, let's...
Who is she? Who is she? I want to know.
That's I'd like to know, too. I think I know who it is.
It's my girlfriend, Lisa Marie.
What? Whoa! What?
Come here, honey.
Who's Lisa Marie? What's
Come here.
that? Hey, you must be with me.
Lisa Marie, who do you want? I've been with her too.
Whoa!
Who do you want?
We didn't need to know that.
You were with her?
Who do you want?
I'm sorry, she treats me right.
Oh!
You see, now I can live with this.
What? How can you live with that, man? They both gonna get on top of each other. How can you live with that? Are you guys finished, or do we have any more surprises in store? Huh?
Well, I'm sleeping with that cameraman over there.
What? Oh. Do you have? Is there any more surprises? Have you been sleeping with anybody else? Jack, go ahead.
I have had a relationship other than these two that they don't know about, and he's here tonight.
Do I want to know about it? Do I really want to know about it?
This is Elvis.
you can't treat my bisexual hunter that way. Boy, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, I can't believe.
Vegas.
I can't believe this is going.
What are you?
I'm gonna kill you.
I love you. I love you, Elvis.
No! No!
What? What
killed
is
him.
going on? What is wrong?
Jack.
Why are you getting like? Hey, I got a movie. I don't care. You can kill him. I got a movie I got to watch.
You think you was clever? I'm gonna stand my time.
What?
That's right. I kill him. I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
You ain't gonna kill me. You killed her. You killed him. This kind of go on.
I'll kill you. I like the show. You're a good man.
Oh, thank you. Oh, give me some love. Yeah, give me some love. Give me some love.
Give it up for Elvis, baby.
Yeah, give it up for Elvis. Yeah, man, ain't killing me. All right.
People in here? I've done them all. Actually, last night we had a little party in my room. I called you, but you didn't come.
Oh, you dialed the right number. My number 23455. You dial that number?
No, I must have dialed the wrong number.
Okay, well, I'll get back to you in a minute. Do anybody in the audience have anything to say about this?
She's never done me. I'm faithful to him.
And I can't even get it up.
Okay, then are you guys happy now, or?
We're very happy.
Well,
Do you
I
want?
stand by him no matter what.
Well, I guess in your own little touchy way, that's special and stuff. But boy, like I said, this is why we call the show the Dirty Eye Surprise. Join us next time when I wouldn't even like you. I don't even know what the hell we're gonna have on this show next time. It might be something like this. It might be something else. But all I know is right now is this girl right next to me is gonna come with me. I'm Kevin F. Garrett, not Garnett, and this is Dirty Eye Show. And I will see you guys next time. Don't forget about my movie that's coming out in the fall. Come on, baby, we going.
And don't forget about me. Rookies, Jukies, Walnuts, and White Butter.
Bye.